Very warm greetings and felicitations to each and every member of Gilco International School family on the happy occasion of the 9th Founders Day of our school. The school has come a long way since its inception in the year 2013. This year, we witnessed our first batch of class 12th take the CBSE board examination and pass out with flying colours. We also saw the fourth batch of class 10th take the CBSE examinations and do exceptionally well. For this, we congratulate each and every student that worked hard, every parent and every mentor who stood all the way behind the students to garner these brilliant performances. Congratulations once again. Last 2 years have been extremely challenging for the entire world. It has been no different for Gilco International School as well. At this juncture, our thoughts go out to all those students and teachers who lost someone precious to them during COVID-19. At Gilco International School, we constantly reaffirm that you are never too young to change the world. We believe in consciously creating pathways for our young students through which they can develop a deeper understanding of social and global concerns. We create avenues through which the children can form opinions, become change agents, and above all, find their voices. If we cannot change the future for our children, we can prepare our children for the future. So ladies and gentlemen, with great pride, I announce the theme for the Founders Day this year, Youth, the Voice of Change. Our theme this year resonates with the principles and ideals of a revered founder, Sri Ranjit Singh Gill ji, who is known for his philanthropic and humanitarian works. Mr. Gill is known as a change maker in the state of Punjab, both as a chairman of one of the largest real estate companies as also as a political luminary. It is known to all that Mr. Gill launched several vaccination drives during the pandemic. He did so for the benefit and welfare of the general public. At a time when everybody was affected by the financial impact of the pandemic, Mr. Gill ensured that not a single construction worker lost his job. He provided for housing, medical facilities, 3 meals a day, water and electricity for each and every member that resided in the labor colony next to Gilco Park Hills. And he did so at a time when all the work had come to a standstill. Over and above all of this, Mr. Gill is also funding the education of the residents of Jyoti Sarup Kanya Asra. Mr. Gill thus sets the example that we rise by lifting others, and the students of Gilco International School definitely have big shoes to fill. A youth icon in her own right, Ms. Jay Gill, member of the senior management of Gilco International School, too is a catalyst for change. She has introduced several initiatives and innovation both in Gilco International School and Gilco Group. With that, ladies and gentlemen, let us take you through the journey of our children finding their voices and making a point through our presentation for the Founders Day, Youth, the Voice of Change.
When I become a teacher, I will bring reforms to our education system. We will learn about all the practical lessons we require in life. Because does life have any boundaries? No. Same as life, my class will have no boundaries and education will be practical and implemented in daily lives.
Hey, I don't want to be a doctor or an engineer. In fact, I don't have any idea what I want to be as yet. Maybe an artist, maybe a designer, or maybe an actor. I am goalless, but I am not zealous.
Another political scandal, another political drama. Yes, politics can also be a dirty game played dirtily. But politics can also be a great change maker. I believe that I can change the system. Even I am also becoming a politician myself. Remember, I am the youth. I am that change.
Excessive phone usage, obsessive clinging to social media. This is crippling our generation. This is spoiling our teenagers. But what can we do to turn this bane into a boon? Well, I think every negative can be turned into a positive. Social media is here to stay. Hence, we must practice control and restraint over the time and usage of social media to get the best out of it. We have the power. We are the youth. We are the tomorrow.
What? Tina can't come to the party? But why, Mom? Oh, because she has to be back by 7 pm. But this is not fair. How can you treat her differently from me? Who has made these laws that rules have to be different for boys and girls? Why this discrimination, Mom? I will surely bring these taboos down.
Gilco International School, Mohali has always welcomed avenues that would allow the young dynamic leaders to widen their horizons beyond textbooks. Education transcends the classroom and embraces the social milieu. Our students remain at the forefront of being change makers. Gilco has always taught students how to think and not what to think, fostering a spirit of adventure and knowing the unknown. Gilco has trained them to be solution finders through innovation and change. Whether it is the academic simulation of United Nations MUN, where students attempt to solve real-world issues with policies and perspectives, or it is Swachhata Pakhwada, through which the students impressed upon the need for cleanliness, sanitation and hygiene, which will be strong pillars of a healthy nation, or when they observed Rashtriya Poshan Mah with the residents of Jyoti Swaroop Kanya Asra and sensitized them about the importance of healthy, balanced and nutritious diet, or when they went to the labor colony for an awareness drive about the health and sanitation, segregation of waste, COVID protocol, dengue and first aid administration. Gilco students reached out to government schools to educate them about the mental health issues. The pandemic witnessed an alarming increase in mental health issues such as stress, anxiety, isolation and even depression. Through a Nukkad Natak by the students, Time to Talk, Time to Take Control, they created awareness about various aspects of mental health and viable solutions to the problems. Gilco students have been always at the forefront in being thought leaders and the citizens of tomorrow, and Gilco is proud of this.
I have passed 12th standard from Gilco International School. Teachers here help a lot to the students and provide different sessions for their future.
The teachers and especially the principal, respected principal ma'am, also organize many education fairs for us.
The infrastructure is very great.
All of the staff and friends have helped me since the starting and they have been very cooperative.
I refer everyone to join the school as the staff is quite good. Especially the most special thing about the school is the individual attention towards the student. That's amazing. It helps a lot to improve a student to improve its academic career as well as his personal life.
In Gilco International School, the staff is very good and the campus is very good.
The staff here is very helpful.
The school also helped me in excelling in many co-curricular activities along with my studies and improving my many subjects.
I heartily congratulate the first batch of Gilco International School, 12th standard, and I am happy to note that all the students have been very well placed in prestigious institutes within India as well as abroad. So it has taken a lot of efforts on their part to do well and let them keep the winning habits. Our upcoming batches of 10th and 12th, they are definitely going to do well and will always support our students towards making informed career decisions in terms of paths, in terms of subjects.
ਗਿਲਕੋ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਫਾਊਂਡਰਸ ਡੇ ਦੀਆਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ-ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਬਾਦ ਦਿੰਦਾ। ਸ਼ੁਕਰਗੁਜ਼ਾਰ ਹਾਂ ਉਸ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਦਾ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਿਹਰ ਸਦਕਾ 1.5 ਸਾਲ ਦਾ ਜੋ ਮਾੜਾ ਸਮਾਂ ਸੀ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਕਾਲ ਦਾ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਨਿਕਲੇ ਆ। ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਦਾ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਦਾ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਔਖੇ ਸਮੇਂ 'ਚ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਘਰ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਦੀ ਮਹਾਮਾਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਬਚਾਇਆ ਉੱਥੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਧਿਆਨ ਕੀਤਾ। ਟੀਚਰ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਦਾ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਨਲਾਈਨ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਕਰਾ ਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਜੋ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਸੀ ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਕੋਈ ਫਰਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੈਣ ਦਿੱਤਾ। ਸੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਲਈ ਬੜੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ। ਤੇ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਕਾਲ ਦੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਗਿਲਕੋ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਵੀ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਔਖਾ ਸਮਾਂ ਸੀ 2.5 ਲੱਖ ਬੰਦਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੰਗਰ ਛਕਾਇਆ, 25 ਬਿਸਤਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਹਸਪੀਟਲ ਖੋਲ੍ਹਿਆ, ਸਾਰਾ ਹਲਕਾ ਜੋ ਖਰੜ ਹਲਕਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸੈਨੀਟਾਈਜ਼ ਕੀਤਾ, PP ਕਿੱਟਾਂ ਵੰਡੀਆਂ। ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਉਤਲੇ ਇਲਾਕੇ ਜੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਵੇਂ ਗਰਾਊਂਡ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਸ਼ਿਵਾਲਕ ਦੀਆਂ ਪਹਾੜੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਪਿੰਡਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੜ੍ਹ ਆਇਆ ਉੱਥੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲਈ ਰਾਸ਼ਨ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਬੰਧ ਕੀਤਾ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਜੋ ਪਸ਼ੂ ਹੜ੍ਹ ਗਏ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਫਾਈਨੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਮਦਦ ਕੀਤੀ। ਸੋ ਇਹ ਸਾਡਾ ਫਰਜ਼ ਵੀ ਬਣਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਜੋ ਬੱਚੇ ਸੀ ਗਿਲਕੋ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਯੂਥ ਦਾ ਵੌਇਸ ਆਫ ਚੇਂਜ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਤਹਿਤ ਹਟਸ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਲੇਬਰ ਹਟਸ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਵੇਅਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਵੀ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡੇਂਗੂ ਤੋਂ ਬਚਾਅ ਰੱਖਣਾ, ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਤੋਂ ਬਚਾਅ ਰੱਖਣਾ। ਨਾਡਾ ਪਿੰਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਵਾਂ ਗਰਾਊਂਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਵੀ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਬਣਨਾ ਤੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਮੁੱਦੇ ਚੁੱਕਣੇ ਨੇ। ਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਫਿਰ ਸਾਰੇ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਦਾ, ਟੀਚਰਸ ਦਾ, ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ-ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਦਾ ਹਾਂ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।
Hello, I'm Renu. Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, good evening. I'm the director here. I have just moved back from Hyderabad and have been here just for a short while. But one of the most striking things about Gilco International has been the lovely bonhomie that exists between the staff and the students. It just seems the right kind of environment in which dreams can flourish, dreams can take shape, change can happen. I bring with me a whole lot of experience, and in this place I do think there is a lot that I'll be able to do, and it is a fertile ground waiting for things to happen. I am extremely happy that I am here in Gilco International, and I do see an amazing future for the children here. Congratulations to you parents for having your children here. Thank you.